Here we are, these are the Coleman dual fuel barbecues. They are both a gas barbecue as well as a charcoal barbecue. Why go for a dual fuel barbecue? Pretty easy. Monday to Friday, you got your gas barbecue because it's quick and it's easy. But for the weekends, when you want to do your flash cooking, you've got a charcoal barbecue. Coleman's have a great grill design where 75% of your muck ends up there. But if you've got any excess or any extra, it goes down there. Unique amongst charcoal barbecues, these have a gas burner to ignite your charcoal, which saves you a lot of fuss and bother. Nice and user-friendly, we have ignition to each burner. Whichever one you turn, you press your button and it ignites. So if you're after a dual fuel barbecue, come and see us here at Hot Things in Balcatta. We're your best mates in the barbecue industry.